Hey there, if you liked the video, please click that like button. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and click that notification bell. That way you'll get notified every time I post a new video.
Snipe Dad Productions.
Hi Internet, today we're gonna the new front bump stops on a 2004 Dodge 2500. So let's get started. First thing, go ahead and jack it up and pull the tire off. This is the cup that the bump stop will fit into. Need to be sure that all the old pieces are removed. I found that in these little clips there's some resistant pieces that you have to maybe dig out with a screwdriver or awl or something. Make sure they're all clear. That way they will grab onto the new one nicely. Should be any need to bend them or anything. And I just take a little obnoxious noise here, take the vacuum cleaner and vacuum out all the litter. Maybe I can get a better view.
From this point on, autofocus was a jerk.
There you go.
But you get the idea. Insert movie magic to enhance the image.
Turnouts that bent inside the cup. Made myself a little wire bend in it so I can get the top of that. It's pretty clean now. And then I'm gonna take a little silicone spray, and on the bottom edge of this spray you see the groove there that the little metals will grab. So I'm just gonna loop that up with a little silicone spray. And then try to get the two outbound ones to clip in first and then press it over, and hopefully then just a little help from a large straight edge screwdriver, pop it in. There it goes. And it kind of clips in, feels pretty snug. That should do it. Definitely worth the effort. Got these on Amazon. I'll include the link. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. You can check out some of my other videos right here, and if you want to, you can subscribe by clicking here.